How to create Google Forms. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick method to easily create new Google Forms. So if you have been trying to create a form for an event or something that you just want to collect a survey, then Google Forms can be an effective way to collect your data. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser. Now you're just going to click on this app section right here. Make sure that you're using Chrome. And if you scroll down, you'll find the Forms section right here. Click on Forms, and it will directly take you to Google Forms. You can already see different templates like contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up, event registration, and many more. And if you want to explore for more options, you can go ahead and search on the template gallery. But I'm just going to show you guys how you can create a form from scratch. So I'm just going to create a new blank form. And the first thing you need to do is create a title for your form. So for example, I'm just gonna add on the title like contact info. And you can also add a short description for your form. So for example, I'm just gonna add this form is to collect short info about you. So this is a short information or the description for my form. You can also edit the text, make it bold, underline, and create a link, and all of these good stuff. Now, here comes the main part. So if you want to add a question here, for example, I'm just going to add first name like this, and you have an option to select your questions. Here Google has automatically updated the questions, but if you want to manually do it, you can select the short answer. You can also enter a paragraph, and multiple choices, checkbox, and drop down. So your name is a short answer, so I'm just going to do that. You can also add your other questions like contact number. And once you have done that, it will automatically select this as short answer. Then if you want to add some options, like if you add another question like do you have a sibling, like this. Now it will be multiple choice. So the first option could be yes. Second option, you can add option here, and then second option will be no. So this you can also add another questions to make checkboxes or drop-down menus. You can add options to your drop-down. So how did you find out about us? And here you can add options like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or you can add other options as well. So after you have done this, you can add images to your background or add images on your form. And once you are done creating your form, you can customize your theme. So you can choose your header, you can choose your font type, you can choose your different font types for your different questions as well. And here you can choose a header image. So here is a one for school and work. Here are different illustrations, birthday, food, and dining. So these are all of the photos provided by Google itself. But if you want to add your own photo or upload your own photo, you can select it from here or upload from your device. So I'm just going to add a simple one like this. And the image will be here on the header. So you can also choose the background color here and your text color. So once you are done customizing, you can adjust its responses. And for that, you're going to go to response and then click on settings. So on your settings menu, you can review all of these default questions. Now, once you're done, you can just publish your form, and here you can send it to anyone's email, or you can just copy the link. So just go ahead and copy the link and publish the form. So whoever has the link, their response will be recorded. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's a short and quick tutorial on how you can easily create a Google form. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.